Good morning, all my wonderful children. I hope you are in your good health. So, let us start our new topic. Okay? Now, tell me that how a plant prepare its food. How a plant prepare its food, and that food we eat. What is present in a plant that is green in color? Tell me. Yes, it is leaf. These are leaves which are green in color, right? And they make food for the plant. So, after this topic, you will be able to know that what is photosynthesis, right? That how a plant prepare its food and what are the various uses of leaves. Okay, so let us begin our today's topic. Leaves are an important part of a plant and plant need leaves to breathe, right? Because the leaves have very minute structures on it, and the name of that structure is stomata, okay, through which it breathes and it makes food for us, right? Because the exchange of gases, it only happens through leaves, right? And we know that leaves differ in size, shape and color. Like some plants have big leaves and some plants have small leaves on it, right? And also they are of different colors. It is not like that the leaves are always of green color, right? They can be of red, orange, purple and yellow color. And some plants have mixed colors of leaf, like it may be green or yellow. Both colors are there on one leaf, and these type of special leaves are called as variegated leaves. Okay, this you will do later on in higher classes. And some plants like mushrooms, yeast and fungi don't have chlorophyll, so they can't make their food. Because we know, I will tell you that in photosynthesis, what is required? A pigment, chlorophyll is there in the leaves, due to which they are green in color. But these plants like mushroom, fungus, they don't have chlorophyll. That is why the color is white, right? Here you can see in the picture, okay, these mushrooms are of white color because they don't have chlorophyll. Okay, this leaf is green in color because it has chlorophyll in it. Okay, now coming to next, the important part of this chapter, that how the leaves make the food. It is by the process that is photosynthesis. So the food making process in green plants, and it uses sunlight and water, is known as photosynthesis. So what is required in photosynthesis? Repeat with me, all of you. What is required? Chlorophyll, sunlight and the gas carbon dioxide. Okay, and water which we give to plants. Due to presence of all this, the leaf can make the food, and this simple process is known as photosynthesis, right? Again, please note down the definition. It is the process which plants use the energy from sunlight to produce sugar. What is a sugar? Sugar is the food. Sugar is the food of the plant, which is prepared by the plant, okay, which is prepared by its leaves. So the sugar is the food of the plant, and which is produced after the process photosynthesis. All right, so now you are aware what is photosynthesis. And leaves have pigment called chlorophyll. I already told you that what is present in the leaves, the pigment is chlorophyll, which makes the leaves green in color. And the green leaves take carbon dioxide gas, I told you what is required: carbon dioxide. This gas is taken from air, and with the help of water and sunlight to make the food. What is a food? Food is the sugar. Okay, it is called as sugar of the plant, the food which is prepared by the plant, and this whole process is called photosynthesis. Okay, now you must know that what is photosynthesis and what are the main conditions which are necessary for the process to occur inside the leaf. Now, what are leaves? A significant and important structure of the plant, because all of the things like photosynthesis, and this is the main process in the plant, that is how they prepare their food, so they are very much important in the plant. Now, what are the other functions of leaf? This is the primary function, right? Primary means it is the main function of a leaf, that it performs photosynthesis. Now, what are the other functions of leaves? That how the leaves are useful to us, right? They are useful to us in various types of ways. We use leaves in our daily life in many ways. Now I will tell you what are the other functions of leaves. Okay, as photosynthesis is very important part of the function, okay, of leaves. It is very important because it depends, we all depend on the leaves, the plants, the food which is given by the plant, and it has other responsibilities also. Now how they are useful to us? So what are the other functions of leaves? This I will explain you in my next video. Okay, so you please note down the process of photosynthesis. Okay, what are the main conditions which are required for photosynthesis, and what is the primary function of a leaf? Okay, why the leaves are green in color, right? What is the food which is produced by the plant, by the leaf? What is the name of that food, what we call it? These are very basic questions which you must know about the leaf. Okay, I hope you are able to answer these questions now. Till then, bye bye.